Hey, Damien here. Today we're going to be learning about group dynamics. Um, Basically, going to understand what the definition is and to why people join groups. So, what is group dynamics? It's basically a study of how individuals behave in groups, the importance in the workplace, educational settings, and social groups. And we basically want to be thinking about what the definition of a group is and to why people join groups. So, what's a group? A group is a collection people with the following features. Basically, it could be multiple members who perceive themselves as a unit, group awards, corresponding effects, and common goals. So, for multiple members who don't perceive themselves as a unit, that basically means at least two individuals must view themselves as part of the same group. For group rewards, we're going to be thinking about this like a membership in a group, basically providing value like socially, emotionally, or instrumentally. For corresponding effects, we're basically going to think of this as the fate of one member affects the others. For common goals, basically I'm going to think of this as all members share a goal or a purpose. Now for to why people join groups, well, there's actually many reasons. It could be someone assigning yourself to a group, physical proximity, affiliation, identification, emotional support, assistance or help, common interest, common goals. For assigned groups, basically want to think of this as external factors like assigning you to join a group. And for physical proximity, basically want to think of this as the groups are formed based on location or being near others. For affiliation, we want to think of this as the physical need to be with others. That's why people join groups, they want to be with others. For identification, basically want to think of this as someone feeling like they identify themselves with the group. And other reasons is because of emotional support. Somebody wants to feel like they have somebody to count on when they're going through something. Also, for assistance or help, groups provide help with when whether it's academic or social or strategic. And also for joining groups is because of common interests. They might someone might share a hobby or interest. That's why they're joining a group. For common goals, everybody has like a mission or an objective because they're joining a group. So basically, we're getting like at the end of the lecture. You basically want to think of groups are defined by shared identity, rewards, or common goals, as we said. And people actually join groups for various reasons, like affiliation, emotional support, and assistance. It's important to understand group dynamics because it improves collaboration, productivity, and relationships. Now, as we're coming to an end, I basically want to ask you a few questions. What groups are you a part of? What defines those groups? How can you apply these principles to your own group setting?